Notice has been issued to Pakistani singer Adnan Sami by Mumbai Police's special branch to leave the country. Adnan Sami has been asked to present himself before the special branch and then leave the country. This notice was issued just about 2 hours earlier today. This is, of course, because Mr. Sami at this moment does not have a valid Indian visa. He has not been cooperating with the authorities, is what we hear. He has been asked by the Mumbai Police now to show up, present himself before the special branch and then leave the country.
We are given to understand that Adnan Sami's visa expired earlier this month, around the 6th of October, and that despite repeated warnings or alerts from the Mumbai police, he has not responded to their letters or their calls to try and tell them what he is going to do to extend his visa. The last word that's come from Adnan Sami is that he has written to the higher-ups and the authorities in Delhi to try and extend asking for an extension, but thereafter there has been no explanation that's come forth. Megha Prasad joining us on the phone with more details. Megha, very clearly the Mumbai police have asked him to revert on the status of his extension and what he is doing about it, but they are upset that he has not responded. Is that the case?
Well, it's just probably a very small part of the story. The real story is this, that his visa has expired and he hasn't really bothered to either alert the authorities or follow the rules which are prescribed in the book to ensure that you are allowed to stay in the country without a valid visa. And all of this has happened when the Mumbai Police Special Branch has been asking him every now and then to adhere or conform to the rules and then follow the procedure forward. Now, the response that they're getting from Adnan Sami is absolutely non-cooperation. There has been not a single step that has been taken by the singer to ensure that the rules are followed in a situation where he does not have a valid visa.